Again, in this video, we're looking to use the fact that x to the power of minus a is equal to 1 over x to the power of a, so that's our reciprocal. And so we're then looking to use x to the power of a over b equals, this is a root where the b, the denominator, indicates the root, and the numerator a indicates the power of x. So a is a fractional indice, x to the power of 1 because the numerator is 1, and then this is going to be the fourth root because the denominator is 4. B, it's a negative index, so we're talking about reciprocal. We've got 1x, so it's 1 over, and then x to the power of 9. C, x to the power of 3 over 2, so what we're going to have is the numerator is 3, and then we've got the square root then of x cubed, since the bottom is a 2 and we don't need to put a 2 for a square root. D, we have 2 times x to the power of minus 4. Now you can kind of do this in 2 stages, you don't really need to do this, but this is 2 times x to the power of minus 4, that's 1 over, because it's a reciprocal, x to the power of 4. We don't really need to write this stage, I'm just being complete so that you understand the full process and don't make any silly errors. So we get 2 over x to the power of 4. Fairly straightforward, the first ones. Then we go on to E. 3 x to the power of 5 over 2. Well, we'll just put the 3 as a nice big coefficient to distinguish between our roots, because this is a root here. The denominator again is a 2, so I don't need to put a numerical value. And then it's underneath the root is going to be x to the power of 5. F, we have 3/4 x to the power of minus 1. So again, you can split this up to make sure you don't make silly mistakes. This is 3/4 times reciprocal, which is 1 over x to the power of 1, so I can just write out 1 over x. And so when I tidy this up, I get 3 over 4x. G, well, initially the thing to note here is that I've got a negative, so I could write this as 1 over x to the power of 4 over 7. And then the next thing to notice is that we have a root, so this is going to be 1 over a root. The root is 7 because that is the denominator of our fraction, and then the power is 4 since that is the numerator of our fraction. So we get 1 over the 7th root of x to the power of 4. Finally, 5 x to the power of minus 9 over 4. You may again, if you want to, take a couple of stages. This is really just for understanding. You can streamline this as long as you make sure that you don't make any silly errors. So the minus, dealing with the minus, that gives me a reciprocal. So I get 1 over x to the power of 9 over 4. This is then multiplying the 5 with a 1, 5 over. Underneath, the denominator is a 4, so I'm talking about the fourth root. And then the numerator is 9, so x to the power of 9. And there we are, completed.